What if I told you there's a tool that can build an app or a website in mere minutes, no coding, no setup, and no complicated deployments? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The tool I'm talking about is AppLLM from Abacus AI, and it's revolutionizing how we think about app and website development. But here's the kicker. It's designed for non-techies and beginners. Let's dive in. The magic behind AppLLM. AppLLM is a cutting-edge AI tool developed by Abacus AI that leverages the power of vibe coding, a concept where you set the tone, and the AI takes care of the technical side. The days of dealing with complicated coding or worrying about deployments are over. With AppLLM, you only need to provide a few instructions, and it will generate an entire app or website for you, from front-end design to back-end logic. But what is vibe coding? It's an entirely new approach to creating software where you provide a high-level description of what you want to build, and the AI understands your vibe and delivers the results. You don't need to be a developer to use it, just a vision. Is AppLLM right for you? This tool isn't just for techies or developers, it's for anyone who wants to build a website or app but doesn't want to get bogged down by coding or technical details. Whether you're a small business owner looking for a quick landing page or someone curious about what it's like to have an AI build a site for you, AppLLM has you covered. For just $10 a month, you get access to the entire Abacus AI suite, which includes AppLLM, ChatLLM, and CodeLLM. That's a steal for anyone looking to dive into AI-driven development. With a single subscription, you get everything you need to create and refine your apps, even if you don't know the first thing about coding. No coding, no complications. What makes AppLLM so user-friendly is how it simplifies the app creation process. Instead of worrying about complex setups, servers, or hosting, AppLLM takes care of all of that for you. It even provides you with a web-based integrated development environment to edit the app's code manually if you want to make specific changes. You can also give the AI commands to make these adjustments, making it easier than ever to iterate on your designs. Even if you're unfamiliar with code, this tool lets you dive in and experiment with minimal hassle. It's perfect for people who just want to create a functional app or website quickly without spending months learning how to code. Iteration made easy. Here's where it gets even more interesting. AppLLM includes a versioning system. If you make a mistake or change something you don't like, you can easily revert to an older version of your app. You're allowed up to 5 versions to step back to, which is usually enough to cover the major changes you might make during a single session. This makes it easier to experiment and tweak your design without worrying about messing everything up. Plus, you can always push a new version once you're happy with the results. Once you've finalized your app or website, hitting deploy pushes it live with a shareable URL. Even after deploying, you can keep editing the draft version and update it whenever you're ready. A seamless workflow. ChatLLM plus AppLLM plus CodeLLM. What really sets AppLLM apart is how it fits into the broader Abacus AI ecosystem. If you're unfamiliar with the Abacus suite, it also includes ChatLLM and CodeLLM, each serving a specific purpose. ChatLLM is an all-in-one assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, generate text, and even create images for your site. If you're building a more complex app and need coding suggestions or debugging help, CodeLLM has you covered. But AppLLM focuses on non-technical users who want to simply build a functional app or website. It's a fantastic tool for beginners who need that extra help and guidance to bring their ideas to life. Imagine you've got a concept for a new book club and you need a website. Instead of spending hours designing it yourself, you just tell AppLLM, "Build me a landing page for a book club," and it'll start generating the site for you. You can watch the AI code the site, and when you're ready, you can easily tweak it using Play in English. Need to add a sign-up form for new members? Just tell AppLLM, "Add a sign-up page," and it will make the changes in real time. It's a dream come true for anyone looking to build something online quickly without the steep learning curve. The power of simplicity. One of the biggest selling points of AppLLM is how it democratizes app development. For years, building an app or website meant diving into layers of complex code, learning programming languages, and worrying about hosting. But with AppLLM, you can focus on your vision and let AI take care of the technical stuff. It's perfect for anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life without becoming a full-fledged developer. What's coming next for AppLLM? Though AppLLM is still in beta, there's a lot to look forward to. The developers at Abacus AI are working on custom domain support, database integration, and user authentication features that will make it possible to create even more sophisticated apps in the future. They're also exploring options to add payment processing, like Stripe, allowing you to create more complex apps that support e-commerce. Additionally, there are talks about enabling users to build mobile apps with AppLLM, further expanding its capabilities. With all these new features coming soon, AppLLM is set to be a game-changer for non-technical users and developers alike. Real-world examples of AppLLM in action. One of the most impressive demos I've seen involved someone typing two simple words, photo editor, and within seconds, AppLLM generated a fully functional photo editor. The user then typed another prompt, asking the AI to add more features, like filters and text overlays. Within moments, the AI produced an updated version with all the requested features. Another example showcased a financial tracker app where the AI generated a basic layout. Then, after a few prompts, the app evolved into a full-fledged portfolio manager with data visualization tools. The speed and ease of building these complex apps with just a few lines of text is mind-blowing. The synergy of Abacus AI's tools. One of the best parts about AppLLM is how it works seamlessly with other tools in the Abacus AI suite. For example, if you're working on a project and need some design inspiration, you can use ChatLLM to brainstorm ideas and generate images. Then, you can switch to AppLLM to build out the website or app, creating a fluid workflow that takes you from concept to deployment. And if you're an experienced developer, you can also take advantage of CodeLLM to handle more complex coding tasks, such as debugging or refining your app's logic. Scalability and flexibility. Although AppLLM is designed for non-techies, it's still flexible enough for those who want to scale their projects. You can purchase additional compute points if you need to build multiple apps or need extra processing power. For businesses or advanced users, this makes AppLLM a scalable solution for building multiple websites or apps. Why AppLLM is the future of web and app development. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, AppLLM represents a giant leap toward democratizing app development. It allows anyone to create apps and websites with minimal effort and no coding knowledge. Whether you're a small business owner, a hobbyist, or someone curious about the power of AI, AppLLM is a fantastic starting point for your journey into the world of AI-driven app development. With features like version control, easy deployment, and seamless integration with the rest of the Abacus AI suite, AppLLM is proving to be more than just a gimmick, it's the future of building apps online. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever dreamed of building an app or website without coding, AppLLM might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Dive in and experience the future of development today.